Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to do audit inventory in SmartHub. Before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel to never miss an update. Ever wondered where your inventory changed, why stock numbers look different, or how to track inventory activity for a specific SKU? That's exactly what the inventory audit feature in SmartHub helps you do. Keeping track of inventory movements is essential for maintaining accurate stock levels and ensuring smooth order fulfillment. In this video, we'll see how to use the inventory audit feature in SmartHub to search inventory events, filter SKU-specific data, and review stock activity across different fulfillment channels. Regular inventory audits help sellers identify discrepancies, monitor stock changes, and improve inventory planning, ultimately supporting better customer experience through accurate product availability. Before getting started, make sure you have access to your SmartHub seller account. Your products and inventory are already synced with SmartHub. You know the SKU details of the product you want to audit. Let's jump into SmartHub. Go to SmartHub and sign in to your SmartHub seller account. Open the inventory section. From the left navigation menu, click Inventory to access your product listings and stock information. Open the Audit dashboard. Click Audit to access detailed inventory audit reports and inventory tracking tools. The Audit dashboard helps you review inventory movements and stock-related events for your products. Now let's start analyzing inventory activity. Enter the product SKU. Enter the required product SKU in the search field to filter inventory audit data for a specific product. Once the SKU is selected, SmartHub displays sellable quantity, reserved quantity, total quantity. These quantities help you quickly understand the current stock status of the selected SKU. Need to find a specific inventory activity? Use the Events drop-down to filter and review different inventory activities, including inventory update, order fulfilled, customer order, order cancelled, other inventory-related events. Filtering events allows you to track stock movement and investigate inventory changes more efficiently. Use the date filter to ensure the displayed audit data matches the required time period. Applying accurate date filters helps you review the most relevant and updated inventory information. Scroll to the right side of the audit page to review inventory counts across different fulfillment channels. This consolidated inventory visibility helps you monitor stock availability across multiple sales channels from a single dashboard. So why should you regularly perform inventory audits? Using the inventory audit feature regularly helps. Maintain accurate inventory records. Identify stock discrepancies quickly. Track inventory changes caused by orders, cancellations, or updates. Improve inventory planning and replenishment decisions. Reduce the risk of overselling or stockouts. Accurate inventory management improves customer trust by ensuring correct stock availability and smoother order fulfillment. Before we wrap up, let's answer a few common questions. What is the purpose of the inventory audit feature? The inventory audit feature helps sellers track inventory changes, review stock events, and monitor inventory activity for specific SKUs. Can I filter inventory data for a specific product? Yes. You can search using a SKU to review audit data for a specific product. What types of inventory events can I view? You can view events such as inventory updates, customer orders, fulfilled orders, cancelled orders, and other inventory-related activities. Why is my inventory count different across channels? Inventory differences may occur due to fulfillment methods, pending orders, reserved stock, or synchronization delays across platforms. How often should I review inventory audits? It is recommended to review inventory audits regularly to maintain accurate stock records and avoid operational issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and happy selling.